Hey all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are safe and doing good. So here in this video we're going to discuss about some HCL interview experience for GET role, graduate engineer trainee role के बारे में हम discuss करने वाले हैं. And in this video we're going to discuss about the assessment process and the interview process of HCL. So which type of topics you should prepare to crack the assessment and which type of question you should prepare to clear the interview, so we're going to discuss about in this video. And next, if you are going to have a HCL interview, so stay tuned in this video and watch the full video. This video will be useful for you. And firstly हम बात करते हैं eligibility criteria की. So here for HCL, if you are applying for the GET role, so the qualification will be your BTech. एंड द एलिजिबिलिटी स्ट्रीम की बात करते हैं तो यहाँ पे सी एस सी आई टी ई सी ई एन ई आई एंड मैकेनिकल के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो एलिजिबल होते हैं एंड दे कैन अप्लाई फॉर द अपॉर्चुनिटी. परसेंटेज क्राइटेरिया इज 75% थ्रू आउट योर अकेडमिक्स इन योर 10th 12th डिप्लोमा एंड इन योर ग्रेजुएशन देयर शुड बी 75% या एव परसेंटेज शुड बी देयर. एंड बैकलॉग की बात करते हैं तो नो एक्टिव बैकलॉग शुड बी देयर. So this is the eligibility criteria from HCL for the GET role. If you are applying for the GET role, this is the eligibility criteria you should follow. एंड नेक्स्ट अगर हम बात करते हैं इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस, तो फर्स्टली हेयर रिटन एग्जाम विल बी देयर. आपको 75 मिनट मिलेंगे 75 क्वेश्चन करने के लिए. एंड इफ यू आर गेटिंग शॉर्ट लिस्टेड इन दिस रिटन एग्जाम, देन यू विल बी गेटिंग शॉर्ट लिस्टेड फॉर द इंटरव्यू ऑल्सो. सो हेयर टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू प्लस HR इंटरव्यू विल बी शेड्यूल फॉर यू. सो फर्स्टली अगर हम बात करते हैं रिटन एग्जाम के बारे में, रिटन एग्जाम कंसिस्ट ऑफ 5 sections. Firstly is quantitative aptitude, second is verbal ability, third is logical ability, fourth is computer fundamentals, and fifth is coding. So quantitative aptitude, verbal ability, logical ability, computer fundamentals, and coding, these are the 5 sections you will see in your written exam process. And if we will evaluate each section, so firstly quantitative aptitude will be there. And mostly if I'll talk about the questions, you will see related to time and work, pipe and cistern, time, speed and distance, profit and loss, HCF and LCM, and number system. So these are the important topics. Generally you will see the questions on these topics from HCL, and these are the important topics you should prepare. If you are having less time, you can prepare only these topics to clear the assessment, to clear the quantitative aptitude. And there will be number of questions will be 15 for each section. So quantitative aptitude there will be 15 questions. So like that 15 questions each sections will be having. And these are the some important topics you can prepare for the quantitative aptitude. Next हम बात करते हैं verbal ability के बारे में. So for the verbal ability, it's like a test your English, and they are testing your English. So fill in the blanks, reading comprehension, synonyms and antonyms, and grammar. These are the topics you can prepare for the verbal ability section. So यहाँ पे fill in the blanks, you can prepare, you can practice some questions. Reading comprehensions also you can practice some questions, synonyms, antonyms, and the grammar. And the third section is logical reasoning. So here mostly you will see the questions based on directional sense, and based on pattern, based on number series, coding decoding type of questions you will see here. Assumptions you will see here. So mostly you can prepare for the assumptions, directional sense, and the pattern, number series, and coding decoding. These are the most important topic of logical reasoning. If you are having less time, you wanted to prepare some important topics so that you can easily crack the assessment, you can prepare these topics only for the HCL. एंड फोर्थ वन अगर हम बात करते हैं तो कंप्यूटर फंडामेंटल्स इज देयर. सो इन कंप्यूटर फंडामेंटल्स दे विल टेस्ट योर बेसिक नॉलेज इन कंप्यूटर फंडामेंटल्स. Like they will ask some basic networking questions, some basic DBMS questions you will see, some code snippets you will see. For that you have to tell the output, and some oops related questions also you will see here. So networking, DBMS, oops, and code snippets, basic things you can prepare for the computer fundamentals. एंड अगर हम नेक्स्ट सेक्शन की बात करें तो कोडिंग सेक्शन विल बी देयर. So here you will see the two coding questions, and you can write these coding questions in C, C++, Python, and Java. So these are the four programming languages will be there. You can write your code. And अगर हम coding questions की बात करें तो basic type of coding questions you will see here. like Fibonacci series, and some number pattern, some basic questions based on array, string. So array, string, these are the two topics you can prepare mostly. Array or string will be there, otherwise you can prepare for the linked list as well. So array, string and linked list, basically you will see on the questions based on three data structure. And also you can prepare for the recursive processes. And yeah, these are the coding questions mostly you will see here. And after clearing this written exam, after clearing these five sections, you will be if you are clearing this written exam, you will be getting shortlisted for the interview round. So here next in interview round, you will be see some questions based these are the skill based question based on your resume. Basically whatever you will mention in your resume, firstly they will analyze your resume, and based on your resume they will ask the questions which programming language you have mentioned. Based on that only they will ask, and which projects you have mentioned, what you have done in your project. So based on your project only they will ask. If you have mentioned your internship experience, then they will ask about the internship, what skill set you have worked and what type of projects you made there. So these type of questions, these are this is the round basically based on your resume what you have mentioned. Some other questions if I'll talk about, they will ask about the oops concept, what is method overloading, what is what is inheritance, what is abstractions. These are the questions about oops concept. You can also prepare some basic SQL queries. So these are the basic things you can easily clear the interview. Just you have to they will not ask you to write the any code or something. Just you have to prepare the theory for the interview. So they will ask the basic questions that you are having knowledge on the basic things or not. So it is sufficient to clear your interview for the HCL. And next अगर हम बात करते हैं तो HR I mean HR interview will be there. So in HR interview generally you will see, firstly so they will ask your introduction obviously, and the other questions will be like what is your short term and long term goal, what is your strength and weakness, and some situational question also HR can ask, some decision making questions also HR can ask. So these type of questions you can practice and you can prepare for the HR interview. And yeah, you can easily clear the interview. Just you have to prepare, just you have to clear with your basics. So you can easily clear your interview, technical interview and HR interview as well. And I will attach this PDF so that you can download and you can keep it, you can analyze this PDF as well. And please subscribe my channel, follow for more. Thanks for watching.